In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a virtual environment with Python. This will create an isolated environment specific to your project, allowing you to install packages such as Discord, OpenAI, Google Cloud, etc. into your project rather than onto your system. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open VS Code or any code editor of your choosing. Create a new project folder, just call it anything, and then drag and drop it into VS Code. So from here, just click Yes, I trust the authors, and then open up a new terminal window. If you're not very comfortable using the terminal, don't worry, there's only a handful of commands you'll need to use. So then just run the following command to create the virtual environment. Keep in note that the second half of this command is the name of the virtual environment. So you could name this last bit anything, but just to keep it simple, keep it as VMV. So run this command. You'll notice now that there's a folder in the project directory called VMV. This will be your Python virtual environment. It is important that before installing any packages, you activate your environment, otherwise it will just install the packages onto your system, which is the whole point of doing this in the first place. So to do this, just run the following command. It's slightly different on Windows, so I'll put the commands on the screen now. You can confirm that the virtual environment is activated by checking to see if there's a pair of brackets with the environment name inside. Now, just to make sure that everything's working, I'll use pip to install a package. I'll do the OpenAI package just to demonstrate. So now that it's finished installing, we can make sure it's installed by checking the packages folder inside of the virtual environment. So just click in here and then lib, and then here all of the packages are installed. If we scroll down, we'll be able to see OpenAI. Then when you want to come out of the virtual environment, just run the command deactivate. Well, that's everything there is to it. Thank you for watching this video, and if it's helpful at all, give the video a like. Feel free to leave a comment if you're having any issues.